So good morning. Welcome back again for another video. So today we'll be creating or we'll be installing a web services. So for the here are the step-by-step tutorial for installing web services. So first, install web services or IIS. First is log into your Windows server using an administrator account. Second is open the server manager application, and you can easily find it in the taskbar or by searching in the start menu in the server manager window. Manager window, click on add roles and features. In the before you begin window, click next, and then select role based or feature based installation, and then click next. Select your server from the server pool and click next. And in the select server roles windows, scroll down and check web server or IIS, and then click next until you reach the features, and then click next again, and then review the information and click install, and then wait for the installation to complete and then click close when it is finished. Then next one is create a simple web page. So once IIS is installed, navigate to start. Next is you look for administrative tools, and then you need to look for Internet Information Services Manager. In IIS Manager, expand the server node in the left panel, then next and then expand sites. Right, and then next is right click on default website and select add website, and then enter a site name, for example my website. So set the physical path to a folder where you want to store your website files, example sa C, and then inetpub www slash my website, then enter a host name, for example mywebsite.com. This is the domain name you want to access your website, and then click OK to create the website. Now in the physical path you specified you specified, create an HTML file, like for this example index html.html with your desired content, and you can use a simple text editor like Notepad to create this file. Next one is make the web page accessible to client browsers. To ensure your web page is accessible using the domain name, you need to configure DNS records to point to your server's IP address, and then log in into your domain registrar's website or DNS provider where you manage your domain's DNS settings. And then next is create an A for a record that points your domain, example mywebsite.com, to public the IP address of your server. Save the changes and allow some time for DNS propagation to take effect. This can take up to 48 hours but usually happens much faster. Once DNS propagation is complete, open a web browser on a client computer and enter your domain name, for example mywebsite.com again, and in the address bar. If everything is set up correctly, your simple web page should be accessible. And that's it. You have now installed web services or IIS, created a simple web page, and made it accessible to clients' browsers. Using a domain name, you can further customize your website by adding more pages, configuring additional features in IIS, or installing web applications as needed. Thank you.